Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to add a background image in Microsoft Word. Firstly, open your Word document, then click on the Design tab at the top of the screen. In the Page Background group, click on Watermark. A drop-down menu will appear with preset watermark options like Confidential or Draft. Just scroll to the bottom of the menu and select Custom Watermark. A printed watermark pop-up will open. In the pop-up window, select Picture Watermark. Click Select Picture to upload your background image, then choose an image from your computer. Check the washout box if you want the image to be faded, then click Apply, then OK to save the changes. The result is your background image will now appear on every page on the document. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.